perfume fills the air, like you never walked away. Moonlight spills across the floor, where we used to fade away. Your picture on my screen still wakes me every night. I keep reading no replies, like they'll bring us back to life. I keep searching for your warmth in these empty sheets. Every heartbeat sounds like unfinished dreams. If you heard this lonely room calling your name, would you come back and love me the same? Stay in my arms, stay in my arms. Don't let the morning steal who we are. Stay in my arms, stay in my arms. Hold me so close, I can't tell us apart. Every city light reminds me of your eyes, blue reflections dancing where the silence lies. I wear your memory underneath my skin, trying to forget where we have been. I keep talking to your shadow in my mind, hoping somehow you'll still hear every line. If love could rewind just one more time, I'd never let your hand leave mine. Stay in my arms, stay in my arms. Don't let the morning steal who we are. Stay in my arms, stay in my arms. Hold me so close, I can't tell us apart. Every truth I hide falls apart tonight. Every wall I built disappears from sight. If forever only lasts until sunrise, then let me lose myself inside your eyes. Stay in my arms before the daylight pulls us apart. Stay in my arms, leave your heartbeat inside my heart. Stay a little longer, until the lights go out. I left the TV on just to feel the quiet air, but every little sound turns into you somewhere. The moonlight hits the floor like the night knows your face. Every corner of this room still remembers your embrace. I keep reading every message that we never meant, trying to find a hidden line between the sentences. I tell myself it's over every single night, then your memory turns on the light. If I call, would you answer? Would you laugh the way you do? I've been holding city, sleeping your beside my bed. Stay in my head, stay in my head. Every little memory pulls me back again. Stay in my head, don't fade away. Love me through the midnight till the break of day. Your coffee cup is on the shelf, like time forgot to move the edge to where's your favorite scent. Like it belongs to you. Every street outside my place feels longer than before. I keep hoping you'll appear, standing at my door. I replay your goodbye in slow motion every night. Wonder if you think of me beneath the same moonlight. I keep trying to let your shadow disappear, but you're the only thing that's clear. Tomorrow finds us strangers. Let tonight be true. Sleeping up beside my bed. Stay in my head, stay in my head. Every little memory pulls me back again. Stay in my head, don't fade away. Love me through the midnight till the break of Take it midnight leaves me back the same. If forever is a moment, let me live inside it now. Every whisper dream between us still survives somehow. Stay in my head, stay in my heart. Even if the sunrise pulls the night apart. Stay in my head, stay in my soul. Some loves never really leave, they just lose control. Silence lives right here inside my head. Another sleepless night. Your shadow fills the room. I wear your favorite sweater, still carrying your perfume. Your picture lights my phone like you never learned goodbye. I tell myself don't look again, then I lose another fight. Every little promise echoes in my head, like the words we never finished before you left. I keep pretending that I'm finally moving on, but your memory keeps proving me wrong. If I called, would you answer? If I cried, would you know? Every lonely second pulls me to the places we used to go. Call me after midnight, when the city's sleeping slow. Call me after midnight, where only dreamers go. Call me after midnight, say my name like you believe. Feel your heartbeat in my hands before you have to leave. I still remember how you smiled beneath the neon rain. How one look across the room Funny how an empty space can still feel so full of you. If tonight could last forever, I never asked for more. You're the only quiet place my restless heart looks for. Call me after midnight, when the city's sleeping slow. Call me after midnight, where only dreamers go. Call me after midnight, say my name like you believe. Leave your heartbeat in my hands before you have to leave. Maybe we're just echoes lost inside the blue. Maybe every lonely road still leads me back to you. I don't need tomorrow, I don't need forever. Just one more honest moment we can hold together. Call me after midnight, before the sunrise comes. Call me after midnight, like we're the only ones. Call me after midnight, hold me close until it's through. If this dreaming is all we have, I'll spend it loving you. Call me, don't let go. I'll still be. Phone face down beside the bed, let the notifications rest. The skyline flickers far away, but none of it can steal this place. Close the curtains, dim the light, let the room erase the night. Every second slows its pace when I'm looking at your face. Leave the headlines at the door, we don't need them anymore. Every heartbeat knows the way to make forever fit today. Put our hearts on airplane mode, let the outside lose control. No blue lights, no buzzing phones, just two souls alone. If tomorrow starts to call, we don't have to answer it all. Tonight is all we'll ever need, just you breathing next to me. Window catches silver rain, drawing pictures on the pane. Every passing car below feels like somewhere else to go. Hear the silence feels alive, like you learned the way you smile. No destination, no escape, only this unfinished face. If the world keeps spinning fast, let it blur beyond the glass. Every dream begins right here when you whisper in my ear. Put our hearts on airplane mode, let the city lose its hold. No alarms to wake the night, no reason left to hide. If the sunrise finds the room, we'll still be beneath the moon. Every moment softly grows when nobody else will know. Maybe love was never loud, maybe it lives beneath the sound, where every glass becomes a flame and every touch forgets us our names. Leave the world outside the door. We don't need it anymore. Our hearts on airplane mode. Leave tomorrow on the road. Every breath becomes a song. Every second lingers on. If the daylight steals the view, I'll still find my way to you. Some nights never really end. They just begin again. No signal, no noise, only your heartbeat. Playing through the silence until the morning forgets our name.